Hello everyone, this is Veronica, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be a photo frame shadow box shaker. That's a long one. But I found this photo box at the Goodwill, surprisingly, brand spanking new for only $1. I will link some photo box frames in the description below for you guys to purchase if you want to create one of these. However, I did accidentally delete the first half of this footage. So here you're seeing still pictures of what I'm doing. So I started off with a sheet of paper that I used from the Hey Pumpkin collection, and I cut it to size, and then I'm adding some foam to the place where the picture would be at. That way the cardstock doesn't make an indentation there, so that is why I added that fun foam there that you can pick up at Michael's or Hobby Lobby. And I also took off the ring that was between the word bling bling, and so I did remove that, and now I'm going to color the edges, so just in case any white shows, it won't be noticeable. So I'm using an alcohol marker, and it's actually not a Copic but a Cali Art marker. And so I went ahead and adhered that paper to the top of the chipboard. And so I'm just trying to see where I can put my ephemera, and I'm using some dollar store pieces as well. And the spider is for Michael's, and again I'm using the Hey Pumpkin collection by Crate Paper. And so I picked the creepy cloth up from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to add a piece of it right behind the word eek. And so I'm just trying to create a Halloween trick-or-treat night, and using the Hey Pumpkin ephemera, and I'm liking the way it looks, and I do put some foam adhesive on the characters. And so now here we are, a video. So this is where I was able to salvage some of the video, and luckily that happened because I do not know what happened to the first one. I guess I accidentally put slow motion video instead of regular video, and so I couldn't change it. I tried so hard to change it back, and it wasn't working. And so I'm using this foam here for Michael's, and it is very thick foam, probably about either a 1/8 inch or 1/4 inch in thickness. And I'm using this to pop up the characters so we can add some sequence, and the sequence could just flow behind it. And so I just use hot glue to adhere the foam to the characters, and that's what I'm doing right now. And I should have moved the house a little bit to the left, because as you can see, the witch is holding a pumpkin in her hand. Or is it the bat? The bat is holding a pumpkin in his hand, and it kind of bent as I put it inside the picture frame because it was too close to the edge. But you can't really tell unless you really look at it. And so I'm trying to decide where to put this spider. I love this spider from Michael's. It is a Jolie spider, and I picked them up last year, and I believe they still have them. If not, they have other spiders available because I did see them there as well. And so these spiders will be in the sticker section versus the Halloween section. And so I'm going to add the witch. And I'm loving this scene here. I love the background paper, you know, the stars. It's nighttime. Everyone's out trick-or-treating at this spooky house with a ghost behind it from Dollar Tree. I'm really happy with the way this little frame turned out. And this is completely inspired by, oh, I forget her name, Love Pink Dragonfly's epic flower shaker photo frame that she gifted Miss Evely. And so when I seen that, I was like floored. And then I saw this photo frame at Goodwill and it just dawned. I was like, I could make something like that. And so that's where my inspiration came from. It was her. And then I decided to make a Halloween one. And I picked up the sequins at Amazon thanks to my husband. He gifted me those because I was really bummed about Dollar Tree not having sequins in my area. And so yeah, he got these ones for me. And it's just a little bit, but thankfully I have some coming on the way thanks to another YouTuber. And so I'm just creating a mix, and I like the way the mix came out. However, once I put it inside the frame, I didn't like the witches, and so I took them out afterwards. So yeah, look at, you can kind of see what it's looking like. And so I'm gonna put the sequence right in this frame and decide if I like it or not. It looks pretty inside the frame. Look how cute that is. I love it. I should have inked the edges of the house. I think it would have made it look more spooky. But I didn't think about it at the time. And also I didn't think about a sewing machine. I should have put some yeah, so I can't think right now. Sorry. Oh my goodness. So here I am trying to figure out if I like it or not. And I didn't like the witches. I don't know. I think it was just too much. Nope, nope, nope. So I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna take all those witches out, and then I'm happy with it. I do cut some of the footage off to make it shorter. And so as soon as I put this on, I love it. The backing of this photo frame cannot be opened to add a picture. I glued that down. I didn't want that to be accessible. So, but you're able to take off the full backing in order to like take out sequins or put different sequins in or add something else. But yeah, I'm super happy with the way it came out, and so glad I was inspired. And yes, this is my first Halloween project of the year, and I'm so happy to start this off, and we're just about done. I'm so happy with it, and I appreciate you guys watching. You guys are awesome. I appreciate you guys, and you guys know. Bye.